Good morning friends. Today we organized the national webinar on COVID-19 and geonomics by the Department of Geography and Economics. I welcome you all for this webinar on behalf of Raish Shikshan Sanstha's Chhatrapati Shivaji College, Satara. I am very much happy to say that more than 1000 participants have registered for this webinar. So now, not taking too much time, I request our beloved principal and secretary of Raish Shikshan Sanstha, Honorable Dr. B.K. Karale Sahib, to inaugurate the webinar.
Good morning to all of you. It's my great pleasure to welcome you on the behalf of Raish Shikshan Sanstha and Chhatrapati Shivaji College, Satara for this COVID-19 and geonomics webinar. 100 years ago, Padma Bhushan Dr. Karmavir Bhaurao Patil founded Raish Shikshan Sanstha, and Chhatrapati Shivaji College was established in 1947 as a branch of Raish Shikshan Sanstha. It is single art faculty college accredited by NAAC at A+ grade. The UGC has confirmed on the college autonomous status for the from this academic year. Our college is also getting a RUSA grant of autonomous college. To provide quality education to youth and inculcate Raish culture in them for all-round development, the college has Earn While Learn scheme, competitive examination guidance cell, sports and other educational facilities. Now the world is suffering from COVID-19 disease and we are not apart from it. No doubt we are taking care, but it is also our responsibility to create awareness about this disease among all the peoples. So the college is organizing various social activities and mass awareness programs about the COVID-19. Today, Department of Geography and Economics of our college jointly organized national webinar on COVID-19 and geonomics. This is an open platform to discuss various issues on COVID-19 and the challenges of this disease, its impact on environmental changes and economical challenges, which is the main objective of this webinar. No doubt, from this webinar, we will get lot of information which is very useful not only for us but for our society also. It is a problem of society and we are not away from our society. United efforts are very important to overcome this disease. Living better, we need economic stability and good environment. Keeping this thing in mind, we have selected the topic COVID-19 and geonomics for this webinar. As the colleges are the important factor in higher education, so it is our ethical responsibility to organize this type of programs to make people aware about the COVID-19. It is the proper time to give the proper guidance to the society and it will become our proper accountability for the society. I give my best wishes to all the resource persons and participants of this webinar and expect to discuss about the challenges and problems created by COVID-19 disease and to find out solutions which are very useful for the existence of humankind. Once again, I welcome all of you on the behalf of our college. Thank you very much.